Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. A lot of people have been wondering about how to create a whiteboard animation. Now, here is the golden opportunity to learn it for free. Without any further ado, subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. Alright, we'll be working with this app called Benim app. It's called Benim app. It's right here. Just select it. Alright, so before that, go to Play Store and download it. Alright, so the next thing to do now is to select this plus sign and name whatever thing you want to create. Alright, so let me name it intro. So after that, you select the aspect ratio that you want depending on the size of the thing you want to create, whether it's a YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So I'll select this YouTube. So the next thing is to select create movie. So as you can see, the interface is blank, nothing is displayed here. So let me show you around how it works. So the first thing is the sticker. If you tap on the sticker here, all right, so the first thing to do now is to go to sticker. You see they have different options. They have add image. You can download different stickers from different platforms and bring it here. All right, so these are the drawings you can use. These are people. Okay, you can use any of these. These are school materials, buildings, electronics, kitchen, depending on what you want to create. You can use either of them. So I'll choose this character. Then this is the size where I'll increase it. So I'll drag it this direction and select this good. Remember that when you tap on it, you can increase the delay or reduce it here. So it depends on what you want. Then this is the pause option. So after that, you select this good. So the next thing is to select text. What do you want to type? So I'll type in my text now. Okay, so as you can see, the text is quite long. All right, so it's either you reduce it here or increase it. Okay, you can increase it, then you drag it towards the direction. Okay, then this is where you select the text that you want. These are different text options. You can choose anyone that you desire. All right, you can choose this one or you choose other ones. So let's make use of that one. So let's play it and see. Good. So in order to add another one now, the next thing to do is to select this plus sign. As you can see, tap on it. As you can see, it has a blank background. So the next thing to do is to select our sticker again. We scroll down to character and I'll choose this option. Okay, I'll choose this one, then I'll drag it. I'll increase the size. Increase the size. Okay, so I'll type in my text. So you insert your text. As you can see, it is big. So just you can shift your character so any position that you desire. Or better still, let's reduce this and retype it again. Okay, select it. Remember, select the center. Take it to any position of your choice, and remember the delay as well. You can increase it or decrease it depending on what you really want. Okay, so let's check this one. The delay is 140. Make sure your delay is the same size. Well, depending on what you really want. Alright, you can choose to bring it down. You can choose to take it anywhere. So this is it. Okay, select this plus sign again and select your sticker. Select your delay. Okay, select grid. Then type in your text. Remember to select the center part it depends on the option you desire. So select this one again, select your sticker, just like that.
If this is making sense so far, tap that button. It helps others find this too. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. And if you want more help, I've added links to other tutorials in the description that will guide you step by step. Check them out after this video.
You can position it anywhere you feel like you desire. Actually, I want to put this here, so I don't know if it will fit in. It's going to fit in. Okay. Alright, we are done now. The next thing to do is see that you add your music here, you import your music from here. But right now, I don't want to import any music here. Then, aside that, you can record your voice here so that it works with what you are saying. Okay, so just select here after doing whatever thing you want to do. Alright, so this is where you can add audio. See that music from your library, or you record, or you can write your text to speech here. Whatever thing you want to write, you write it down, then you select here, in which it has Arabic and other languages, both Englishes as well here. All right, English is here as well, Chinese, other languages. So if you want to select English Nigeria, you can select it, then you select here. All right, so this is the speech rate, then the pitch. If you want it to increase the speech, you increase it here. If you want to reduce it, you reduce it here. Then after that, you select preview and save it as MP3. All right, or you record your voice. Record your voice here. So that is it. So after, let's see our video. So that is it. It's quite simple. It's very simple. All right, so the next thing to do is you save your work here. You save your work here. You see that you save it as a project. I advise you to save it as a project first. Okay, so after saving it as a project, then you select here that it looks like share. Then you name your movie, that is your animation. Just give it a name. So you select make movie. You have to wait a little bit. As you can see, it is rendering. You have to wait for some seconds or minutes, depending on how lengthy your work is. So after some time, it will be saved. As you can see, it is saved. If you go to your gallery, your files, you will see it there, so you can play it from here. So then if you watch to this length, you have a free gift from me. I'll be giving out this free Benin app. Is a pro version in which you can use it to create yours for free without going to the Play Store to download, because the one that's at the Play Store, it involves different ads. So I'll be giving it out free for the people that watch to this length. All right, so all you have to do is to just use the description below. You see my Telegram channel. That is where I'll be dropping the free app.
You've just learned how to create your own whiteboard animation. Well done. If this helped you, like the video, drop a comment and share it to others who would love this too. More tutorials are linked in the description. Go watch those next and keep building your skills. Thanks for watching. I'm Coach Mira Ai. See you in the next one. Bye.